Welcome. In front of me I have NUROUM, I think that's how you pronounce, headphones. They're, I believe, called Open Bluetooth Earbuds OW10. So they're calling them Open Bluetooth earphones. Though I think the correct statement or call would be like the bone conductive ones. Though I haven't seen them, so I don't know if that is actually accurate. But we'll see in a second. Now the packaging is just a box, basically. If I can actually figure out how to open it up, that'll be fantastic. There we go. A couple things fell out. There we go. We have some manual, some card. We get the actual earphones. Here we get the cable for charging. It is, by the looks of it, magnetic, so that's pretty nice. Though in terms of length, it leaves a little bit to be desired. So that's the entire length of it. And that's it. That's all we get in the box. So let's just yoink those off. Hopefully there is a battery. Oh, before I actually turn it on, you can see that the charging ports are right here. So there we go. Pretty nice. Now, let's hopefully turn it on. Okay, so they do have battery. I'm checking out this because we do have this portion, right? Oh, I don't think they are actually bone conductive. I think they just hover over the speaker, like right outside of your ear. So kind of like over-ear headphones would do, without the actual like cups that would create that seal. But in any case, we do have things that look like microphones. So I believe these are microphones, and this might be as well, because obviously they won't have noise cancelling. They're completely open. So let's see if I can connect it with my device. And yep, it shows up right at the bottom. Now all I did was actually turn it on. I didn't do anything else. Now once I connected, I did hear a beep. Let's see. So I'm gonna put them on and just kind of listen to how they sound. Okay, so from a brief listen to them, at least for me, they don't really sit all that well. This isn't adjustable. This is like absolutely plastic. So for me, they sit a little bit further, not basically over like the ear canal. They kind of go to the side. I do have fairly small ears, so that could be the reason. If you have bigger, obviously bigger ears, that would probably fit a little bit better. So these are probably designed for someone a little bit more built than me. Now, that being said, the sound quality is okay. I mean, it is open completely, so it's lacking a lot of the benefit that over the ears headphones would do. But obviously this isn't necessarily designed for over the ears, sound isolation. This is designed for maybe you're biking and you still want to hear when an ambulance is about to hit you because it's trying to pass you when you're riding your little bicycle. So this will obviously not create that isolation, and you will be more aware of what is happening around you. Now, just to give you a little bit of a sound quality, I'm going to put this next to the microphone. So keep in mind, this is going to be not the most optimal example of how these can sound, just because number one, these aren't necessarily over transmitting the sound correctly as it would do to your ear. Number two, it is a microphone I'm doing this, so I'm basically placing it next to it and hoping that it will pick up this okay, in some kind of okay fashion. And the last portion would be the fact that whatever you will be listening to this sound on, so if it's on a phone through speakers, that will greatly probably decrease the quality that you'll be hearing, and whatever other like equipment that you'll be listening to will affect it, how the sound actually sounds compared to what it sounds in reality. But I still want to just kind of give you maybe the quality of the sound, just so you can get a feel on how it sounds. So in any case, I'm gonna make it a little bit louder. Incoming call. Great time. Anyway, I'm gonna actually take off the pop filter to get a little bit closer. So hopefully this sounded okay. I actually have never like checked out how well this sounds, but this is literally the best I can do to give some kind of like insight to the quality of the sound that is being produced right here. So anyway, that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.